back. You're watching Markets at Noon, and now we are joined by Rahul Sharma, Director, Head Technical and Derivative Research, GM Financial Services. Rahul, hi, afternoon. Welcome to the show. So it's mid-market time, Rahul, and we can see the Nifty holding up, but then Bank Nifty definitely outperforming all the major indices. What's going to be your take? We are looking at Nifty swinging between 24,180 to 24,210, 15 levels, but Bank Nifty looks like doing better. How do you read the markets right now?
Yeah, so the VIX is down today, which is most importantly due to the pullback that we're seeing in oil prices, and that should aid the sentiment as well. Yesterday, we did create a panic low in the Nifty around 23,700, and post that it has been only buying that has been seen on the screen. And post today's gap up, markets have sustained the 24,000 and above landmark, and the way it is set up. I think maybe a bit of volatility here and there, but eventually things should gradually improve from here. So we're doing a very selective approach in this kind of a market. Stay away from the high beta names because the market is still probably not out of the woods. War is something that we are not good at predicting. So in this kind of a market, it's best to stick to defensives. And one defensive space in this kind of a market is clearly pharma. So pharma index continues to impress on the long side. That is one index which hasn't seen the brunt of selling pressure. And today we are seeing a good pullback happening in the pharma space. So the likes of Aurobindo Pharma is coming out from a multi-week, resistance. We are seeing Glenmark giving a breakout today, being the top performer in the pharma space. We are also seeing Sun Pharma also similarly positioned very well. So it's best to get into a basket of pharma stocks for the trading perspective. Unless and until there is global volatility doesn't stabilize, it's best to stick to this pharma space. And for Nifty to sort of turn the tables and any kind of a reversal, big reversal in place, this has to be a major ceasefire announcement which comes from the Middle East. So until then, I think it is best to stick to pharma. And Nifty, it's more of it's better to be a day trader in this kind of a market than to look at carrying positions and seeing gap ups and gap downs ruin your trades in case you happen to be on the wrong side.
We are still not out of the woods, which is why pharma is your recommendation, and one can be nicely placed in the defensive. Any specific trading calls? I mean, apart from pharma, is there anything else you can recommend a strategy?
Yeah, so as a strategy, I think Nifty crucial level to keep an eye on is 23,500. Yesterday we came close to that. Let's say due to volatility, if that level does emerge, that is a very good level to get into. Top up your portfolios, get into Nifty ETFs, get into in fact mid cap Nifty ETFs as well. And banking, as we've known, PSU banks are the best placed, setup even after this correction. Something like an SBI remains a strong buy, in this kind of a volatility, and we feel that the stock should be back to where it was a few days back. So PSU banks, apart from that, public sector enterprises and pharma, these are the three sectors where we are looking for opportunities on the long side.
Hello. It's currently
Rahul, thank you so much for joining in and giving us your strategies as to how should we playing the market ahead. Thank you so much. But then for the viewers,